find today's event really helpful. Mrs. Ng went through a few questions in detail by different sections or fractions, and she showed a very detailed explanation in terms of the modeling as well as the step-by-step steps.
I think it's helpful for the upcoming PSLE because Miss Ng goes through topics that we usually get wrong during the exam. So this crash course helps us to revise the techniques and strategies to answer the questions.
I think it's interesting and it really helped us because as my friend said, it also helps us to remember the tips and formula to use.
So far, I think the lesson is good. It's really to teach us to know about the technique that we can actually help my child to handle the different topics. Yeah, maybe for now, I think the fraction is one of the killer topics.
I'm actually very relieved that I finally understand how to draw model, something that I have not learned for the last 30 years, and now I can actually help my son in his PSLE preparation.